We're gonna listen to the Jones Girls today. Shop Babadoo. Okay, maybe a bit hot. What the hell? Oh my god, do we have drama? Oh. Okay, so this could be a pretty short stream. I'm waiting for gamers to come online so I can do gaming. Yes. But I got pretty far on Friday on my stuff. So it shouldn't be that hard. I should write down the things I want to do with the game. Session tracking. Atomic map updates. Load asset version. Always use load asset version for maps from the maps list. Send a I'll call it push an event on mapfix to notify servers that the map needs to be updated from website. Notify servers that map needs to be updated. Hook the event in game and immediately update the map. So more things will explain this here. Let's see. Am I still on cam? Yes, I am. Oh, interesting. Okay. So the other steps of this are reject, so submit times with the associated load asset version the time was gotten on. I can't make it atomic. I guess it doesn't matter because it's a different database. If the database was the same database, then I could actually have an atomic operation where, depending on the order of mapfix and time, it would always be correct. Where if the mapfix arrived at the database and updated the version, I guess the version update isn't atomic either. Everything is a mess. So refuse to accept times from an outdated map version. Okay. So this is the vision. In this way. There is no worry that more invalid times will be exploited. Oobed. Anti-cheated. Blocked times will be gotten after a map fix, and the map fix upload date is will have no false positives, or I guess false negatives. Is it false negatives? False negatives. It is false negatives. Times gotten on the old version after the map fix that will not be covered by a time wipe of times before the map fix date. Coo. Okay. So I'll mark the source of stuff here. So maps service game RPC game. It's the game. Coo. Okay, coo. Okay, so wrote that down. Very, very nice. That is too sweet. What is happening today? So, stream title. On Friday, I wrote code. Can you believe it? So it's this code. I wrote some code that uses the Roblox API that gives you the ability to use the Roblox API to run Lua code on the game, which is quite exploitable, and I would prefer to not do this, but Roblox has no alternative. But yeah, no, it's kind of bad. But not really anything. It's kind of bad. But I need to use it. Is the but. So I never finished actually using it, but I did finish making the code. Okay, so we go to here. Where? Ooh, love this song. Funky walking bass. YouTube doesn't get music. You only get the music on Twitch because YouTube is super cringe about it. Good music? Yeah, we're gonna listen to the Jones Girls discography today. The stream might not last long, which is tragic, but the Jones Girls will always be there. Always be there for you. Rope project? What the hell is a rope project? Excuse me? Huh? What am I doing? Okay, I'm doing this code. Okay, so this code is not done. So there's 2 files. Okay. I kind of gave up because I was pissed off at Roblox. Oh, I actually wrote a bunch of code. Okay. Okay, so, that's right. That was really annoying. Okay, so here's what I need to do. This number, load asset version, goes into the map metadata. That's what I need to do. That's what I need to do. So, I need one more request. Oh. That's a new endpoint in it. These numbers. Right. So it doesn't have to be the game. So I'm gonna need new environment variables and how irritating. Oh my god. This is message handler. Gah. So currently all of the environment variables are loaded here. And it is very simple. It's just, yes, I got the environment variable. We're done. Oh, group ID. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, 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 oi. Do I just have that slapped in there? Oh my god, I do. Um. So, add. Yes. Okay. So it would go like this. It's actually not that hard. Okay. Universe ID. Thanks for that, Roblox. Place ID. Load asset version. University place ID. There. And then what about Goop ID? Final references. Who did this? Oh my god. Okay, so I have to trace it again. Don't tell me it's not used, because I know it's used. The place ID. The group ID. Mm. I'm gonna switch. Yes. Okay, so this is easy. It's easy, so easy. But I'm worried about the structure. Like this is kind of polluted and ugh. This is like environment. Why is this an option? What? What? Okay. This guy goes here. Kind of awkward, but whatever. What? Why is it capital V? What the hell? Jeez. um. Bolt. Why is it? Is that my setting here? Huh? Validator equals no. Okay, whatever. Okay, parse. It sounds like a big emergency, but it's one fire truck. And the emergency's over. I live down the street from a fire station. Do I want it like that? Yeah, I do. I'm a sucker for the increasing length instead of alphabetical. Okay. The numbers. Yes, I was just getting this. Okay, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Boom. Okay. Upper. Yes. Okay, load asset version, place ID. I think it's long-winded, but yeah. Dot parse dot expect int parse failed. Boom. Okay. So we parse that sucker. And then blast it into here. Boom. Oh dear, what happened? Okay, so I'm gonna do like this, because it's getting a little bit insane. A little bit insane, you know. tad on the insane side. Literally, it is the exact struct definition. Oh, I have to do service new. It is pub crate. Should I just like direct? Having functions with more than 7 arguments is not good. I think I'll change it to just a direct struct thing, because like maintaining this is annoying. Yeah, oh yeah. So we're gonna do message handler, boom, boom, and that's it. Except not. Yes. So we need these lines from right here, and that's it. Surely. Okay. That is something. Maybe I should do it up here. Because then, you know, that's actually decent. Okay. Okay, if I do this, and I do like, paste, and boom, boom. Now I can do this. Yes. Call, clone, call, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now these are struct fields, and they can be ordered in any order instead of being function arguments, and the order matters, and it might go into the wrong one type business. So I think this is actually safer than function, because like I might accidentally put the wrong one in the wrong one, but if they're named the same thing, then they can be like this and it doesn't break. So struct is superior for over 7 arguments, I think. Okay, cool. Okay, so there it is. So now there's an environment variable called that is loaded and can be different for the production and staging environments. And then it can say run code on this place, and then it goes and does that. Good. Okay. Now, right here, I can go like this. Boom, 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 and that's it. Except I got them backwards. Gah. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Why don't I open a little pulley requesty? I gotta stop inventing words. Still typing. Okay. There we go. Okay, that plumbing is now successful. The annoyance plumbing. Okay, remove, Actually, that would work, wouldn't it? Okay. Who is this? This is a map service validator. Remove, message handler, constructor. Too many arguments. Okay, so then yurt, and then yurt, and then this one, and that's it? Good. Okay. Good. Boom. 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 Good. Okay. So I believe this can go down. Move down. Yes. And then I can keep building the big comment here. The complete feature. Okay, let me just. How do I word this? Um, um, I don't know how to word it. I'm not human resources. I'll keep thinking. Let's see. Okay, so I have this. Good. Ding, 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 ding. Right, I need a new endpoint. God. God. Okay. How much coffee? I'm gonna heat up the coffee and then turn on the fan. It is hot, even with the doors open. Well, that was a surprise. I smacked the coffee cup on the microwave turn tray, the glass. You might have heard. Or maybe the music was too loud. Um, oh no. Okay. So I need to call an endpoint that doesn't exist. It's gonna look exactly like this. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Right. Asset version. Boom. Okay. Set asset version. Hmm. Okay, so there's two things here. There's the asset version and the modes. I don't really want to store the modes in the database A little bit annoying because I can just calculate them right here. But now I need to calculate them right here. Wait, what if I directly set it? Am I allowed to do that? Is that allowed? I would, right, I need to make a new connection. Erg. Yes, there's currently map council drama. So until this point, all of these changes have been proxied. Okay, how much of this actually has substance to it? So if I look at validator controller, is all of this just set it and done, set it and done? Okay, this creates an event data. Right, so this is no, right, okay, I see, okay. So this is dealing with the map after it's out of the map's service. It's like, oh yes, wait, oh, but it's the same endpoint. Oh, I don't need to do anything. Oh, okay. No, I think it's correct to make something to just directly edit it, because it does no longer dealing with map fixes or submissions or anything. It's just the map is already uploaded. I'm updating the metadata, maintaining the metadata, if you will, stream title. Okay, so then everything else here, set validated model, it creates this audit event so that there's a trail of changes that you can see. But the thing I'm trying to do right now is an implicit thing that happens after you upload the map. It's just part of the it's supposed to just be part of the upload process, but Roblox makes it so fractured, and like you have to just kind of do things all over the place instead of just like you already have everything ready to go and you do it all in one go. It's like, oh, what's the asset version? Oh, what's the modes? Oh, where's the map? Oh, I have to upload it here. It's annoying, but we deal with this because the game is on Roblox. Okay, set status submitted, right? So set status submitted, it's part of the pipeline of map fixes, whereas what I'm trying to do here is update information on the final map. It doesn't need audit events. It's just something that happens as soon as you upload it. It would write an audit event if it failed, and that's a little bit tough to see, to follow. Yeah. What's down here? Create. Okay, yeah, no, create audit checklist. Okay. So I think I don't need. Oh, wait. I mean, it's kind of sussy to do this, because like controller. Oh wait, does this even have a right? update. It does, okay, it does have a write. It breaks the interface, but it's like, pain. It's just outside. Like, if this was just a little bit easier, I could literally just use the value that's already here. See, this upload response has asset version, but it doesn't work with this one. Oh, it doesn't work. You have to get this other one, and you can only get it from in-game. So I have to go call an API to run a script in the game to get the version, to update the version, to set it, and it can't just be one thing here. Like, it would be great if I could just go like, oh yeah, and the version, by the way, it's version number 2. That's it, and then it's done. Just asset version, boom, done. And I can also parse the modes right there, but I need all of this extra crap, and then like all of these other failure modes. Like, look at how many more ways it can fail here. Like, all of these are just after it's uploaded. Look, API uploaded. What the hell is session? Oh god, no, even more. Yeah, okay. So all of these are the ways that this combobulated process can fail. I don't think I'm even done. But it would end here with no problems if I could just use that version to load it in game. God, the workaround is so insane. Okay. Please do it. Do the thing, make it happen. Merp. Okay. So, directly to map. So it's going to be the same IP here. This sucks. God, it'd be so much simpler. This sounds like golden moment. Update. Yep. So I'm gonna do a map update. So it's not validator, it's maps. Extended. Map update. Wah, wah. Okay, so now these are none, except this one. Boom. And then this parse, I need to parse this out as whale. Pain. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so I also need this. Maps. Gerp. Oh, no, this is maps extended. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, so where's the gerp? What? Interesting. Okay, so I should be able to copy from over here. I love copying code. It should just work. Copy. Boom. Boom. Yeah. And then my maps extended. Everybody okay? So I only need this update endpoint right now. So they're named something else. I'll just say client for now. We'll fix the consistency later. Okay, now main. Excuse me. So now this is called maps extended. Let's go down there. Okay. Validator maps extended? Huh? 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 Oh, I have this. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. So it's just like that. Gotcha. So it should actually be the same channel. This guy does not have a clone. Oh my god, future? Okay, so it does not have copy, clone. It should be the same, I think. Client. Oh my gabagoo. Okay. Almost there. Maps extended. Oh, maps extended. I-64. Right. Okay, that's not it. Fair. Okay. Target asset ID. It is that guy. That is lucky. Huh? Expected. What a hail. Okay. Connect to maps extended. God damn it. I'll just call this bum. Oh, another banger. Jones Girls is crazy. I'll be right back. Okay. So I don't think I can move this down. What a shame. What about this guy? No. What about this guy? Plum. I mean, maybe I can do this? So lucky. I found you on the floor. Did I publish that outright? Did I do that? I did. Okay, so then I'll do that. Boom, boom, boom. Ugh, okay. Okay, so modes. I need a thing that analyzes the map file, determines which modes are there, and that can fail, but presumably the map is the same map because it downloads based on the asset version. So even if the uploader updates the model, I can download the old version that they submitted. So it should not change on me, and there should be no error, but there could be. It is a possible error path if Roblox sends me the wrong file or something insane like that happens. I actually have to do it, don't I? I'm running out of time. Oh, actually, you know, I could do this one at a time here. I could say this is none. And then do it somewhere else. Oh my goodness, okay. So... Yo. Okay. You're talking? I'm gonna give you a minute. Okay, so let's get this published up. There we go. So this needs to happen first. Right, so I think it's like this. Continue. And then it's like this. Except like that. Okay, so these should be identical. Cool. Okay, I got it. Okay, so now it makes sense. So I do this, and that does something. I do this, and that does something. And then this uses both of those changes instead of like being interlaced. Oh dear. How you doing? I'm keeping a watchful eye on the gaming Discord. I suspect that today there will be gamers gaming, and I can join in. Trying to get some work done before that happens. Notably, the load asset version field of maps on the database is not currently maintained. So I wrote some code that sets it from the game. The game is like, oh, this is the current version of the map. And then I can use that to load only that version. So then when Map Council pushes a mapfix to a new version, we have these version numbers, and we can say this is the old version, this is the new version. And if you get a time at some point before, after, between, while the map is updating, we're able to see, oh, you got it on the old version, or you got it on the new version. Right now, there's no way to know if your time, like what version of the map your time is on. So this is like making the foundation to be able to actually tell what's going on. So we'll be able to say, oh, you got it on the old version, but we've already replaced it with the new version. Your time is rejected, sorry, because you might have used the out of bounds route that's been patched. Right now I'm thinking of making it so that the game just immediately updates the map. If the map console pushes out a mapfix and there are servers open that are on that map, we don't want players to get times on the old version of the map. So if they're totally prevented and you're actually not allowed to get times on the old version of the map, then there's no reason not to update it immediately. And like, just like instantly reload the map to the new version, which is a little bit jarring. But like, if the map is being actively exploited, then the longer it stays open, the more work that the moderators have to do to like clean up the exploited times. By exploited, I mean like out of bounds or some other map issue. Okay, does this connect to the correct spot? What's going on here? Oh, it's just trolling me. Okay. Wait, what? Wait a second. Wait, what? Okay, this is trolling me. What the hell? Oh, okay. Okay, so what's next? Okay, so I have... Presumably this is code that will work, but boy, will it not work on my client. So I need to do the same dance on making a new submission. It's nice to have a release process. I wonder if I should add a release step to mapfixes. Because then I could fetch this number on release and it could fail to release, but not re-upload. Oh, but it... Oh! Yeah, no, that would work. Because we have the version number. So if I do that, then the game keeps loading the old version until the mapfix is released. That's actually really good. Oh my god, that's super good. Wow. I'm gonna write that down because I can't do that today. Add release step to mapfixes. Using load asset version control, mapfixes can be uploaded without affecting the live version. This integrates extremely well with the workarounds needed to fetch the load asset version. Since they have many failure modes, but the map must not be re-uploaded, so cannot be rolled back to a pre-uploaded state. The same thing works for submissions. The load asset version, if the load asset version fetch fails, it can roll back to the, oh snap, oh snap, oh. Does that mean I need a releasing state? God dang it. Oh my god. State. During the releasing process. God dang it. How did I not see that? Ah! It's so obvious after I write it down. Oh, I need another state. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's game. Oh my god. Oops. Okay, good enough. Okay, now I can actually add the labels backend. Load asset version control. It's kind of wrong. Okay, the validator doesn't need to be resolved. Yeah. This also makes it so that also means that the possible states for affixes and submissions are identical. Okay. Very good. I think I need a migration step here. So map fixes, which are currently on uploaded, need to be set to released. And maps which are currently on released need to be set to released, because I would like bump a new version in between. Oh, that's so goddamning it. This is like creating work for myself 101, but like this is the right way to do it. Hmm. Hmm. It's stuff to think about. Does this work now? Do I merge this code now? Okay, it doesn't fail. It's a post failure. It's freaky, freaky, freaky. Mm. It'll fail weird. Is that true? What'll happen? Let me look at it. Upload, upload. Oh. There's no fallbacker. So in this one, oh, that's a bad example. Oh. Oh. So in, wait. Oh. Oh, it's like this. Okay. Oh, that's also a bad example. Okay, here. Okay, look at this good. Okay, so what happens? Check mapfix. Okay. So what is this? This is if you submit your map, it has to go through a series of checks. Do you have a start zone? Do you have an end zone? Do you have unanchored parts? Blah 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 blah. So this is what actually does that. This checks the map. Cool. Okay. So this is the result of those checks. So maybe all the checks succeeded, and you're a god gamer, and everybody is amazed with you, and your map is passing all the checks. Great. Okay. Well, then your map is now submitted. Congratulations. What if the checks failed? Oh, well, then you need to say which checks failed, and then set roll back the status to request changes. But there's another option. What if the checks itself had an error while checking? So that's a different thing. So it creates this audit error instead of an audit checklist. It's posting an error to the audit log, saying what went wrong in the internals of the check. And then it rolls it back. So you see how this is like the default behavior, where it rolls back whether it posts the failed checks or whether the checks themselves failed, had an error. So in the upload, that's not present. There is no default error. So it would just silently error. It would silently fail. But I think that's good enough for now, because I have this written down, and we're probably not publishing 5 map fixes in the span of minutes. So this is fine for now. I want the asset version to be maintained, so that I don't need to go rerun stuff. The modes doesn't really change during map fixes. Oh my god, I've just created so much work for myself. God dang it. Okay, so this fails bad and silently. But maybe the happy path is what I want. Is this dun 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 dun? Yes, it is. Okay. That's the song name. Don't. No. Okay, so I need to set this as well, but I don't feel like it. Actually, you know what? I should just do it. It's not that hard. Okay, I can't sit like that. It's too hot. Okay. There's so many good songs. Util? How do I know? It's kind of like that. So I need this stuff from here. Could I just run the checks and get the... No. So I could put it into a past check. And it would be shrimply a full check. Is this downloading the map? I think it is. Yeah. Roblox. It's all just not quite right. Wee. How many do I have? Okay. So I need to run this. Get Is that correct? Counts. Yes. I should be able to just and then it's done. Yeah. Get model info. That's the check. Do I use this more than one place? No. Okay, so that I needed to run this, and then I just go, and then it's done. So I just go start counts, done, without checking anything. It's, but it won't have changed. It's past the checks. It'll work. It'll work. Oh. Can I wait? What if I convert error? I guess I'll have an error. I'll have a thing that goes like, ah, yes, and then it makes an error. Okay, I'm gonna run this code. Great. Okay, upload mapfix. Okay. So before I create the session, after I set uploaded. Count modes. No way. So we're gonna do all the errors here. So I have to do this guy and this guy and this guy. Okay, this is consumed. Oh, it's not. What? I guess so. Okay, so then I guess I'll do something else. We're gonna redum. How? Okay, so this. Oh, I can do it. Okay, whoa. Okay. I can't sit like that. Wait, it's infallible. Oh, that's kind of juiced. Okay. Doubly qualify. So this is jank code. I'm being jank here. So let's find these errors. Yes. And they go right here. Yeah, I love errors. And then read. So I think I could do that there as well. And now I've got model info. Is it private? Oh, hell no. It's private. All right, whatever. I'll just make a function. Count modes. Sure. Amazing. All right. This guy. Underscore. We don't care. Okay. Count modes. Self. Boom. And then that's not how you spell that. Are the gamers gaming? No. Okay. It gives option usize because it's a count. Oh, do I have a function here? Hold on. Sequential something. Count sequential. Oh my god. Okay, so can I just slap that together and call it a day? I think I can. Okay, so this is gonna move. Okay, where the function at? It goes right here. Amazing. Okay. It's a private function, and it goes like, let sequential start zones equals bada boom self dot counts dot start zone semicolon. Huh? It's just a usize. Okay, so this is like how many sequential zones are there? Finish. Start zones count. So we count it, and then we count how many are sequential, and make sure they're the same. Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. Okay, so if A equals B and C equals D, oh, I only need one. Boom. I guess all of them need to be equal. That ought to do it. All right. Then I'll just put this here. We're good. Some start zones count. Else, none. That's an error. The error is the counts don't match. All counts must match. So the number of sequential must be the same as the number of zones, and the number of start zone must be the number of finish zones, and the number of etc. So all of them must be the equal. Okay, so now we have a function called count modes. Wow. Great, great. Okay, and then oh, it's fine. Wait, why did it say? Oh, it's fine. Okay. Gah, okay. Well. Gah, okay, so now we have model info. Now we do help count modes. Wow. Okay, so let modes equals to model info dot count modes. And then we do okay or error invalid modes. Non-sequential modes. No way. Question mark, semicolon, let's go. Okay. Okay or yes, no, yes, yes, yes. Okay. Surely. Okay, surely. What? Okay. Boom. Okay. Who did this? What is that? Okay. Qualify. Qualify. Ugh. Ah. Ah, Schnapple. Okay. Bytes? Are you allowed to do as slice? I think that's the one. Chillin'. Okay. Big chillin'. No! Does not live long enough. It literally outlives it! Bro! Do I really have to clone it, man? Okay. Clone the data. You got me. I give up. Sigh. Okay, so now we have modes. Okay, well that was draining. But that's all. That's everything. That I did it. Why is there a huh? Oh, true. As U32? Okay. Do I need to check that there's less than 4 billion modes? I feel like it would take a really long time to load that map. All right, hard limit. All right. U size. So U size is yeah. This is a little bit silly, but that is a possible error failure case. U32 for modes is very silly. It should probably be a U8, but it just doesn't matter. Okay, modes is already a U32. Ooh, yippers. Okay. Validator. Move consequential function. Validator. Update modes on mapfix. Boom, boom, bing bong. Let's go. Okay. Great pain. Okay, it's time to pull this. Update metadata on mapfix. Adds a bunch of hodgepodge logic to map upload fix with an L. Hodgepodge. This should be enough to maintain the load asset version while I work on the proper solution. Oh, did I not create this? Oh, it's game. Help. Hold on. Yeah. And modes. Cool. Oh my god. Um, cool. Okay, so this is there. This is done. This is go away. This is I have that. Okay. So now I need to test this. Gamers are not gaming. We got the check mark. Did we get the check mark? Oh my god, the check mark. Yeah. The check mark. Yes, the check mark. Okay. I got the check mark, which means it probably works. But actually, since it's Rust. Okay, so I did. Oh, I need infrastructure changes. Yeah. Okay, so I can do this. Help. Applications. Map service. Validator. Environment variables. Why is that a string? Bro, I love Roblox B-Hop. Me too, bro. Oh my god. Isn't it great that I made the game? Now we can play it. Now we can both play it. Okay, group ID. That's great. What about universe ID? Okay, I need multiple here to fill in the infrastructure fields. What the game is? How do you do anything? Creations. Oh, right. This is like special. I'll just use this one. Experiences, places, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Yes. Okay, we'll go there next. Who is this? What is this? This is experiences, places. Wow. Great. What's the environment variable? Help. It's right here. Yes. Okay. Place universe. Okay. No. Okay, so place ID, universe ID. Real. Okay. Is this gonna break? Like, this is a string, right? So why does it need to be like that? Okay, Shirley. Don't call me Shirley. So this is validator. I'm just gonna do like this. And then, okay, so now I need to set these versions. This is the production version, so this is map test. Now we go to production, and then we go to staging, and then we go to places, and then we go to this place, and then we go get these numbers. Okay, paste the numbers. Okay, experience is this. Place is this. Good, okay. Production, amazing. So now it has new environment variables. I guess I should add them to the freaking documentation as well, even though no one is ever going to use this code other than us. Read me. Help. There it is. Environment variables. Oh yeah. Is there more? Roblox group ID? No. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roblox cookie, Roblox API key. Is that all written down there? No. The is that what it's called? Am I stupid? Yes, okay. Yes, I'm not stupid. Okay, so then this is document no way. Cool. Okay. Good. So now this is an infrastructure pull request. Here it is. Mashta branch. Oh, there's no other branch. Oh goodness. Okay. Okay. Add validator inverse for should I I guess cool. Okay. So this is not the master branch. I can't force push anyways. Okay, pull requests. This is for this defines the place to emulate when acing myself with the Roblox API via luau execution. Yippee. Roblox allowed loading. It doesn't matter. No, nobody cares. Its name doesn't care. Okay. Great. Okay. So I can't actually merge this until it's that one. Okay, so merge this and that, and it doesn't affect anything else. Well, it does affect the I also change the group ID var to a integer literal instead of a string literal. Okay. Okay. Good. Well, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so let's take a look at which maps have had map fixes in the past some amount of time. So sequential modes check. Deploy public API 3 days ago, August 8th. Okay. Where's the date? August 7th. Florenza uploaded. When was that? August 9th. So this one is out of date. Do we have a new version uploaded of the game? Yes. Okay, so boom, boom, fix, update map details, map ID. So what I should do is fix the map details. It is a surf map. I'm gonna go to surf. Okay, so now I write. Okay, let's see. Update map details, map ID. Okay, it just does the latest asset version of the modes. Okay. Florenza, map fix, target asset ID. Boom! That's what I need. I love the website. Okay. Update map details. Boom. 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 Okay, it should just work. Oh goodness, what is that? Oh, it's a script error. Huh. Okay. It's updated. Cool. That's what I needed to do. Do I have a time? I don't have a time. Oh my god, so bumpy. Ah! Does it reset your speed? It does not reset your speed. Okay. Excuse me? Okay. Oh, I suck. I mean, I knew this, but man. Isn't this like an easy map? 23 seconds. Don't watch me, I suck. I know I have smooth strafes, but it's because I play bebop. No! That's gotta be it. Playing surf. Yeah, I needed to update the data from a surf map, so I joined the game and I got sucked in. Okay, I don't make this. How do you be good at surf? Oh yeah, practice. Which is why I'm bad. Because I don't play. Oh my god. Okay, that was crazy. Cool. I figured out new things today. I figured out that having a release stage. Okay, I should actually write down more here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Maps, issues. Plan. Add. What is it called in code? Submission state. Huh? Is it here? Yes, it is. Okay, submission status. Okay. Submission status releasing state. Mapfix status releasing released. Unify statuses. No, they can remain separate. Don't unify statuses. They are technically not the same. Technically, okay. Oh my god. Okay, good. I wrote it down. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Oh, I still have the game open. Yeah. I suck. Wow, I suck at typing. Wow, I suck. I suck. I suck. Hmm. Suck. Surely I'm fast enough. I think that's how you get the speed, isn't it? Oh my god, yes it is. Gaming. Yes! Okay. $503? What? Okay. Cool. Alright, I'm satisfied with that. Why didn't I think of this before? Having a releasing step. Do I need anything else? How much Jones Girls did we do? About halfway. That's what I wanted to do. No. What do I want to do this week? I guess this. Because like this is the proper solution to what's going on here. This is endless work. I was like, all right, I'm gonna finish up this week, and then I'm gonna go do something else. Go do the game engine, but because I've already implemented this stuff, it's not properly implemented until I do this. Yeah, okay. So this is like the plan for this week now. Work created Tuesday. Boom. Check if set mute is implemented. Is it? Is that in the dev? No, data. Is there a freaking New database. Oh my god. No, it's not implemented. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go join the gaming club and do the big gaming. How did I do on the stream time? It's only 2 hours long. Wait, why does it say 2 out of 3 hours? What the hell? Huh? Well, good work. I finished what I set out to do on Friday. It sucks. Big time sucks, but I actually figured out how to make it not suck, which I didn't know before. So, nice. But now I have another week of work on the website instead of on the game engine. Gah! Gah! I want to work on the game engine. I have to finish it by 2025, or the physics at least, by the end of 2025, because like that's my goal for this year, is to finish the game engine. I've been just working on the website because like there's so many like little features to add, like the one I'm adding now, where it like keeps the version up to date, and we can like load a specific version of the map and then like cut off the old times and use the version IDs to like say, oh, we just released this version, whereas right now it's just like, oh yeah, load the map. It doesn't know, it doesn't care what the version is. It's just like, what version did you get your time on? Who knows? And anybody's guess. But now I'll be able to use the times date to determine which version it go onto, because oh, I won't have the history actually. Well, no, I will actually, because implicitly, oh, that's very nice actually. Implicitly, the version history is wait. Oh, you literally can't access. Oh no. I guess I don't care about the version history for loadable in game. God, Roblox sucks. Why don't they use the version revision ID? God damn it. I guess I haven't tried. It won't work. Right, you don't specify the model ID. Oh, Roblox. Anyways, I'm gonna go gaming. Go Gilbert gaming. Maybe tomorrow I won't do that, and I'll work on the new work that I've created for myself all day. Okay. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.